Good morning, students. See, in exercise 3D, we have completed up to question number 5. Today we will see example number 12. See what is given here. 135 rasgullas, 90 laddus and 75 pieces of burfis have been made in a sweet shop. The shopkeeper packs each variety separately in boxes. If he wants to pack all the above sweets in boxes such that each box contains equal number of sweets, what is the greatest number of sweets he can put in each box? See the solution. We have to find the greatest number of sweets he can pack in a box. That means we have to find out the largest number which can divide 135, 90 and 75 exactly. That is, you have to find the HCF of 3 of the numbers. So, the HCF of 135, 90 and 75 is equal to 5 into 3. HCF you got here 5. The common factors is 5 and 3. So, 5 multiplied by 3, 15. Hence, he has packed 15 sweets in each box. Now, see question example number 13. From a rectangular sheet of paper 30 cm by 21 cm, Lisa cut out equal square pieces of paper. She had to cut off 2 cm from the length and 1 cm from the breadth of the rectangular sheet to get these squares. What is the longest possible length of the side of these squares if the sides are full in centimeter? See, first of all you have to see what is the length of sheet given here. 30 cm it is given, and breadth of the sheet is 20 cm given here. Now, after cutting 20 cm length, means by after cutting 2 cm length, it means length is given here 30 cm, then you have to cut 2 by 30 cm, means that it will become 28 cm. And in breadth, how much you have to cut from here? 1 cm by breadth, means breadth is given here 21 cm, so it will become 20 cm. Now see, in a rectangular sheet, what is given a 28 into 20 centimeter is to be cut in a square. Now you have to find the HCF of 28 and 20. There you got here 4 centimeter. The sides of the square piece of papers are 4 centimeter each. See, when we will solve the similar questions like that, you will understand the example also. See, we will solve question number 6. Solution number 6. Already we have solved up to question number 5. So, question number 6 we will solve now. Swami packed 288 oranges and 624 apples in boxes. He packed oranges and apples in separate boxes. If he put equal number of fruits in each box, find the maximum number of fruits he put in each box. Now see. What we have to find here? The greatest number of, we have to find the greatest number of fruits. What is the number given here? Greatest number of fruits that he can pack in a box. In a box. That is, we have to find the number that divides 288 and 624. That means you have to take the HCF of 288 and 624. Take out the HCF 288 and 624. 1. Here again by 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 1 2 5s are 10, 1 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, 2 3s are 6, remainder 1 2 9s are 18, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9 and 13. HCF of 624 is 13. Find the common factors. 2, 2, 2, 2 and 3. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. That is 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 24 2s are 48. So he can pack 48 fruits in each packet. Okay. Now see question number 7. Santosh is physical education teacher. Arranged 3 groups of 140, 91 and 63 students the march past. If he arranged the same number of students in each row, find the number of students he arranged in each row. So number 7. Santosh is a physical education teacher. Arranged 3 groups of 140, 91 and 63 students in the march past. Now see, we have to find what we have to find. We have to find the greatest number of student that divides 140, 91 and 63. Therefore we have to find therefore we have to find the HCF of 140, 91 and 63 to get the largest number of students. Okay. Now see 140, 91 and 63. So when you take out the HCF here by 2, 2 7s are 14, 0. 2 3s are 6, 5s are 10. 5 7s are 35, 7 1s are 7. Here 91. So take out the HCF by 2 you cannot take out because 2 is here. 91 you cannot take out by 2 because here 91 is odd number. So you have to take out by 3. 3 you cannot take here directly. You have to take out by 7 because when you will take by 3, 3 3s are 9. 1 will remain here simply. Then you have to take out by 7. 7 1s are 7. Remainder 2, 13. 13 1s are 13. Now see here you have to take out by 3 directly. 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3, 3 7s are 21. Here 7. Now 140, 91 and 63. What is the factors you got here of 140? 2 into 2 into 5 into 7 and here 7 into 13. Here 3 into 3 into 7. Now see which is the common factor here. 2 is here but 2 is not there. Then again 2 is there, there is no 2. 5 is there but 5 is not there in both. 7 is there, yes. 7 is there, yes. 7 is there, yes. So what they are asking, the number of students he arranged in each row. Therefore he arranged 7 students in each row. Okay, see your next question. Zanny the florist had 72 roses, 27 gladioli and 54 marigolds to be used to make buckets. She has to make identical buckets having all 3 varieties of flowers. What is the maximum number of identical buckets that Zanny can make if she uses all the flowers? We have to find the, it's question number 8. We have to find the maximum number of identical bucket that she can make if she uses all the flowers. So we have to take the HCF of 72, 27 and 54. Take out the HCF of 72, here 27, here 54. By 2, when you 2 3s are 6, remainder 1, 6 are 12, 2 1s are 2, remainder 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 3 3s are 9, 1. 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9. Here by 2, 2 2s are 4, remainder 1, 2 7s are 14, 3 9s are 27. Now see, two into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, 3 into 3 into 3. Now see, 2 is here, 2 is not there but 2 is here, so you cannot take it common. Directly you have to take out 3, here also 3, here also 3, here 3, again 3, again 3. So what is the HCF you got here? 9. Now see what they are asking. Maximum number of identical flowers are, she has to use all the flowers here, so maximum number of identical flowers, that how many buckets she can use here. Therefore she can use 9 buckets. Okay, HCF you got here 9. Here the common factors are only 3 and 3. 2 is not there, so you cannot take here common factor 2. So when you multiply 3 by 3, here you got 9. So she can use only 9 buckets. Now see question number 9. A room is 7 meter 20 centimeter long and 5 meter 20 centimeter broad. If square tiles have to be laid in such a way that an exact number of tiles fit in and no tiles has to be cut, what is the greatest length of the side of the square tiles? See, first of all, what is the length of the room is given there. Length of the room is equal to, what is given? Length of the room 7 meter and 20, 7 meters and 20 centimeter. So convert 7 meter into centimeter. Therefore 7 meter is equal to 7 into 100, 700 centimeter. So 700 plus 20 is equal to 720 centimeters. Breadth of the room. What is given breadth of the room? 5 meter 20 centimeter. Same step, convert 5 meters into centimeter is equal to 5 into 100, that is 500, means 500 plus 20, that is 520 centimeter. Now see, you got your length also and breadth also. Therefore, now what you have to find here? If a square tile have to be laid in such a way that an exact number of tiles fit and no tile has to be cut, what is the greatest length of the side? Therefore, to find the greatest length, we have to take out the HCF of 720 and 520. So 720 here 520. See, by 2 when you will take 2 3s are 6, remainder 1 2 6 are 12, 0, 2 1s are 2, remainder 1 2 8s are 16, 0, 2 9s are 18, 0, 45. See, one more time I will solve because there is no space. 720 by 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 6 are 12, 0, 2 1s are 2, remainder 1 2 8s are 16, 0, 2 9s are 18, 0, 45 by 3 you have to do here. 3 1s are 3, remainder 1, 3 5s are 15. Again by 3, 3 5s are 15, by 5, 1. 520. Take out by 2, 2 2s are 4, remainder 1, 2 6 are 12, 0, 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 0, 2 6 are 12, remainder 1, 5s are 10. Now you have to take out here by 5, 5 1s are 5, remainder 1, 5 3s are 15, now we are 13. So 720 and 520, what is the, you got here factors 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5, 520, 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 13. Find the common numbers here, 2, 2, 2, okay, not any other number. So 2 into 2 into 2 is equal to 8, okay. See, one more number is there, 5. 5 2s are 10, 10 2s are 20, 20 2s are 40. So the greatest length of the side is 40 cm. Therefore, the greatest length of the side is 40 centimeters. Now see question number 10. The length, breadth and height of a room are 7 meter 20 centimeter, 5 meter 60 centimeter and 4 meter respectively. What is the largest length of the tape that can be used to measure all 3 dimensions? The tape being used an exact number of time in each case. What is given? Question number 10. length of a room. Seven meter, 20 centimeter, changing 7 meter into centimeter. 7 meter into centimeter is equal to 700 plus 20, that is 720 centimeters. Breadth of a room 5 meters 60 centimeter. Now again changing 5 meter into centimeter is equal to 500 plus 60, that is 560 centimeter. Height also is given here, that is 4 meters. Now changing 4 meter into centimeter is equal to 400 centimeter. Now what you have to find here? Largest length. To find the largest length, we have to take out the HCF of 720, 560 and 400. Okay. Now see, we will take out the HCF of 720, here 560, here 400. So by 2, 2 3s are 6, 1 2 6 are 12, 0. Yes, then 2 3s are 2 1s are 2, remainder 1 2 8s are 16, 0, 2 9s are 18, 0, 45, 3 5s are 15, 5, 1. Okay, again by 2 2s are 4, remainder 1 2 8s are 16, 0, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 0, 2 7s are 14, 0, 2 1s are 2 3s are 6, remainder 1 2 5s are 10, 5 7s are 35, 1. By 2 2 2s are 4, 0, 100, 50, 25, 5, 1. HCF is equal to 720, 560 and 400. Two into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. Okay, now 560, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 7. 400, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. Now see which are the common factors here. 2, again 2, again 2, again 2. Now see, 3 is there but 3 is not here. So 5, only one 5 is there. So what is the common factor you got here? 5 2s are 10, 10 2s are 20, 20 2s are 40, 40 2s are 80. Okay. Now see, therefore the largest length of the tape, the largest length of the tape is 80 centimeter. Tape is 80 centimeter. Here also write centimeters. Okay. See, be careful when you are solving these questions. Okay. So we have completed our exercise 3D. So try to solve examples of next exercise, exercise 3E, common multiples, example number 15, example number 16, example number 17 and 18 also. Solve in your rough copies, then we will start our next exercise in our next lecture. Okay, thank you.